chin up. Good. Grow tall. Keep going. A little bit more trot. Very good. Don't nod. Very good. And you're on the correct diagonal. Good girl. Good. Forward trot. Yep. I'm trying not to talk.
No, it doesn't matter, I'll put it to music.
Keep going, don't let it break. Righto forward, sit up, sit up, sit up, sit up, sit up. Back to trot. Don't lean back. Check your diagonal. Good girl. Good. Sit, sit. Oh, no. Yep. Now canter. Good girl. Heels down. Keep your elbows by your side. Trot. Check your diagonal. Sit, sit. So you've got to actually, don't try and read my mind and think, is she asking me a trick question?